Hey y'all, what's up? Hi y'all, what's up? If you are new to my channel, my name is AshecaLee, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, then thank you so much for tuning back into another video. Okay, thank you guys so much. So as you guys can tell by the title, this is gonna be a 3-in-1 get ready with me. I'm gonna show you guys how I do my makeup, the outfit that I have on, where I got these pieces from, and also y'all, the fragrance that I'm wearing, because quite frankly that smells so good. Okay, and that's a must when you're going out. You have to smell good. Not only do you have to look good, but you gotta smell good. You're not complete unless you have something on, okay? So with all of that being said, go ahead, subscribe, like, comment. So before we get started, y'all, all of the products that I use in a video will be listed down in the description box below. And yes, everything I use on my face is pretty much all of my favorite go-to products, and I use these products faithfully when I do my faces. And did I mention that they are affordable? Okay, so with all of that being said, let's just jump right into the video. Hello, what is up, y'all? So as I explained in the intro, I'm gonna be using all of my favorite products to do my face tonight, just because, you know, it's safe. You know the results that you're getting, you know, all of that. So yeah, we're gonna start with primer. So I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. I love this primer. It smells really good and it doesn't feel too heavy, and I don't know, it's kind of like lotion and it smells good. So I really love using this product, and I just work it in as if it was lotion all over my face, and then I just pat the excess in just like this. Now y'all, my camera dying already and I just started. What in the y'all, look at this, look y'all. I was so tired of my camera dying, you guys. I had to go get spare batteries. So, and they're all charged. I'm so happy, y'all. See, look at God. Look at God. Y'all see what can happen when you just listen? What's good, y'all? I'm back. Anyways, so we just applied our primer, and now it is time for, I don't know, I feel like I like to use about 3 different primers just because I feel like they all feel so different. So I'm gonna go in with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. Love this because it's super sticky, and I just feels like it allows your makeup to actually stick on your face, and it really holds well. So I'm gonna go in with this very small amount. And then when you do this with this product, you can actually feel like the stickiness. So that's how y'all know this thing good, okay? All right, y'all, don't get annoyed with me. I'm gonna go in with my MAC Stroke Cream. I feel like y'all already know what products I'm gonna pick up. I'm almost certain you guys already know, but I mean, who cares? I like to use products that I know I like, you know. I don't like surprises unless the point of that video in that moment is to try out new products. But for the most part, I like what I like and I stick with it. I gotta wipe my hands off after I do my primers because I just don't like having all that product on my hands. So as you guys can see, the face is looking very refreshed and glowy, and it just looks good, okay? Y'all know when it's so hot and y'all thighs just be sweating? Ugh, hate it. First things first, you guys know we're gonna go in with our brows, and I have been loving the ColourPop Precision Brow Pencil. This is in the shade Black Brown, and you guys know that this is the only thing that I have been using on my brows lately. I haven't been into the heavy brow look at all. I've more so been trying to just keep it natural. So I feel like I get the most natural look from brow pencils instead of pomades and stuff like that. Oh my God, it's done. Oh no. I got a spare. I got a spare. Oh my God. Thank you. Y'all see? Y'all see how he just be slipping his way in there. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in my brows. And when I say I use the lightest amount because, ooh, excuse my phone. I use the lightest amount because this pencil is super pigmented, so you don't need to press too hard because then your eyebrows are gonna look super harsh, and that's just not the look I'm going for. Alright, so I'm also gonna take my freeze spray, spray a little bit on the end of it, and then just comb through my brow hairs just so that it can keep it in place and everything is nice and secured. This eyebrow always turns out better. I don't know, but you know, everyone has that favorite brow, and this side is just, this is it. I never have to do too much work, and I don't know, I feel like the eyebrow lady actually did this eyebrow better. Alright, ooh, ooh, yes, natural. Alright y'all, so now that that is done, I haven't been carving out both under and on top of my brows. I've really just been letting it rock. My favorite foundation right now is the Juvia's Place foundation. This is in the shade 400 Ethiopia, and I don't know, I just really love the consistency of this foundation. I love that it doesn't make my face feel heavy at all. I usually just do 2 dots on each side and then just let it do what it do. I barely ever have to add more because a little goes a long way with this foundation. And y'all know this is full coverage. I did a review on this foundation a while ago, so if you haven't seen that, then baby, you late. You gotta go watch that video, okay? I don't really add any foundation to my forehead anymore just because I feel like it's unnecessary at this point. I mean, it's already dark because the sun just be hitting your girl right there on her 5 head, so adding foundation is like really unnecessary for me. So I just kind of avoid that area on my forehead and just kind of work the product in everywhere else. Simple, 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 just like that. When I say this usually takes me 10 minutes to do without having to stop and talk to you guys. Literally in 10 minutes my face is done. So this is also a quick little makeup routine as well. So now we're gonna go in with the concealer, and y'all know I'm not using nothing else but my Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. This is in the shade Warm Sand, and we're just gonna apply this to our highlighting areas. And I feel like this is the perfect shade because it doesn't give me too much of a highlight, but it also doesn't blend in with my skin. Like, you can tell your girl doing something. And I've also been avoiding putting concealer on my forehead as well. So I also like to just go ahead and let my concealer sit on my face for about 30 seconds just so that it can get a little bit tacky. And while that is being done, I usually focus on my eyes, and I'm gonna go in with some mascara so that we can prep for our eyelashes.
Coronavirus! Coronavirus!
Whew. I know when y'all talking and then like your throat just start itching. Yeah, that just happened. It almost took me out. I ain't gonna lie, your girl barely got lashes on because of those lash extensions that I had, and I was just plucking them out. They were so y'all know the story with that. If you guys have seen the vlog, then go ahead and watch that. If you haven't seen it, go ahead and watch that. But if you have, then y'all know I was struggling. I had to pluck those things out like it was nothing. So right now we're gonna go ahead and blend in our concealer. I like to go in with my foundation brush to do this for the most part, and then I'll go in with a smaller brush when I get close up underneath my eyes. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with another brush. This is the Real Techniques setting brush, and this is just gonna get a little bit closer underneath my eye so that we can blend everything out. I forgot I just put mascara on. So I'm just gonna graze some of the concealer over my eyelid just to add like a little bit of color. And then for setting powder, I have been using my Milk Makeup setting powder in the shade Translucent Medium, and I've been loving this. Such a good product. When I say that the powder is so fine that it doesn't come off in like lumps or anything, and it's just like super easy to use too. You can go in with a beauty blender or you can go in with a brush. I mean, either way, your face is gonna be set. So we gotta put extra powder on our nose because y'all know we gotta wear the masks. So we don't want our makeup rubbing off on those masks, you know, because they're a part of our everyday lifestyle now, unfortunately. So now, literally after we do that, everything else is like a breeze, okay? Right now I'm gonna jump back to my eyes and I'm going to apply my lashes. You guys, so I want to do something different on my channel. I don't really know what it is I want to do, but if you have like any ideas, that new series that we could start, just something different, I want to switch it up a bit. So leave your content ideas down in the comment section and I will be reading them. I will be responding, you know, because I'm doing this for you guys. So yeah, so leave some ideas down below. A series or like a chit chat, like a scheduled chit chat where I talk about things that we see on social media, you know, or even like a new makeup segment. Just let me know. Leave a comment down below. So now that our lashes are waiting to dry, I'm gonna go in with my bronzer, and I've been using my NYX matte bronzer in the shade Deep Tan. And I haven't been doing a lot of cream contour lately just because, you know, I just feel like it's not necessary right now. I feel like winter time and fall time is when we can break out the cream contour, and then on top of that we put in the bronzer on top. You know, I feel like that's when we can layer and cake on. But when it's so hot outside, nobody really wants to have so much product on their face, you know. So I'm gonna use the excess and apply on the sides of my nose, just like this. And usually by the time I'm done my bronzer, it is time to put these lashes on. Do y'all know the feeling of having fresh lashes on? Like, it just feels so good. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Wine. Everybody wanna bother me when I'm filming a video. Why? Like, don't be rude, y'all. I'm actually gonna take a little bit of this blush shade and pop this on my eyes, just to add something to the look. And then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of highlight over top of that eyeshadow, just to add like a little bit more of a bronzy look. To finish up, we're gonna go in with some highlights using the Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. And then now to set our face, I'm going in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I love this. It just comes out so fresh and it just feels so refreshing when it's on your face. Okay, and onto eyes, I'm going to add a little bit of eyeliner to my waterline. This is the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Waterproof eyeliner. Because I just feel like your face is not complete without eyeliner. Okay, and for lips, I'm going in with the NYX lip liner in the shade Espresso. And I actually don't think I'm gonna be wearing any lip gloss tonight, so we're just gonna keep it nice and matte for the lips. I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop lipstick in the shade Buttercream. And y'all, that is pretty much it for the face. Y'all see that took like literally no time. I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed and I'll be right back. So this is the outfit for the night. I'm gonna be wearing these Forever 21 jeans. They're just like some boyfriend jeans. They're distressed at the ends and throughout the legs. They're not really long. They stop at the ankle, which I think will be really cute. Boyfriend jeans with just like this nice flowy white top that I got from Target, along with this cardigan because I will be outside and I don't know, it's a little chilly today, so I feel like this will be a cute match. And I'm not sure what I'm gonna wear on my feet yet. I think I'm just gonna pair it with some white sandals and call it a day. And yeah, I'm about to go ahead and pop this on. This is the bag that I'll be carrying. I got this from a local store in my mall. I don't remember the name of it, but it's super cute and I think it goes very well with the sweater. And yeah, so I went ahead and got dressed and I did my hair. I just did like a little twisty little thingy majiggy and all I did was just tie it in the back with a scrunchie and then go over that with like this gold scrunchie. These earrings I got from Shein. This necklace I got from Forever 21. I like to keep it cheap with the jewelry just because when I wear jewelry, I literally only wear it for that night for a few hours. I come home and I take it off. I don't care to spend so much money on jewelry. That's just not me personally. But yeah. So now for fragrance, I'm going in with my Marc Jacobs Daisy Love. Y'all, I just got this perfume and when I say it smells so good, just ignore the packaging of this bottle alone. Y'all, everything, the packaging, like the cute actual daisy, like, are you kidding me? And this is the EAU, I think, EAU. I don't know how they pronounce that. I'm assuming it's French. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments down below. But yes, we're gonna put this on, okay? Do a little spritz because you gotta smell good, okay? I'm so excited to wear this. Whew. Oh my god. And I'm gonna spray some on my wrist, rub it together, touch it on my neck, because you know those are the spots, honey, okay? Yes. Ooh, it smells so good. It just smells like super I don't know, like it smells so refreshing yet classy and subtle, you know? Oh my goodness, it smells so good, y'all. So good. Okay, that pretty much completes this video, you know, this little 2-in-1, because I didn't really do my hair. I don't have to do my hair, I have braids in. So makeup and outfits, and well, actually 3-in-1 because we snuck the perfume in there, okay? So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to your girl's channel, leave a comment down below, let me know what you guys think of this video, and also don't forget to turn your notification bells on so that you can get an alert every time I post a video. And with all of that being said, before we go, today's motivational quote is, what the enemy cannot destroy, he distracts. Don't lose focus of what God has planned for you. So with that being said, I will see you all in my next one. Bye.